Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Sa kabila nga ng panghuhusga ng mga bashers sa ating Donnie at Belle, nananatiling matatag ang dalawa. Sa katunayan nga ay maraming blessings na dumadating nga dito sa ating Don Belle ngayong taon na ito. Si Belle Mariano nga ay may newest at first brand endorsement this 2025 ang Knorr. At itong ating Donnie naman ay sunod-sunod nga ang mga endorsement. Kung matatandaan nga ay si Donnie Pangilinan ang brand ambassador ng Pick of Coffee. At nakarang araw ay dumalo rin si Donnie Pangilinan sa Spring-Summer Collection ng Uniqlo. At ngayong hapon naman ay masisilayan na natin ang watch party ng music video ng Close Up kasama syempre ang ating Donnie at Belle live na live. Sa katunayan nga, sobrang excited na itong ating Donnie at Belle sa kanilang ganap ngayong araw. Kapwa nga nag-post si Donnie at Belle sa kanilang social media account na kung saan nga excited na ang mga ito.
Taller yet again.
Did I?
Yes, you did. Growing
Hello,
bold.
good morning everyone. Hello to our friends of the media. I'm so happy to be here with one of my favorite brands in the world, Uniqlo.
I love how Rachel's like,
Yeah.
yeah, I deal with him all the time. So it's like, yay, so nice to see you again, Donnie. But it's true, you love this brand.
Yes, I love this brand so much. We did a shoot last year for the jeans, and this is literally part of my lifestyle. I cannot live without the white taper jeans. Wait, I'm already promoting wala pa pala.
I know, I was gonna ask you.
But I'm so excited to share my favorites from the Lifewear Spring and Summer collection.
Okay, since you're already talking about your clear favorite, let's talk about it because you're actually wearing it today. Just so people can have an idea, what exactly is the piece you are so in love with and why does it fit your lifestyle so well?